Here now to break down the day so far. So, Alicia, it's day 7. We've been at this now for a week. Is this a normal pace for a high-profile case?
It is. I would say that they're going at a very efficient pace, actually, although it probably seems slow to most people that are watching because it's a lot of the same stuff every day. It's really important that they get down to the issues on whether or not these people can be fair and impartial, because they are serving and playing a very important role in this matter.
We heard from this one potential juror who says she's 5 months pregnant. Is that something that can get you dismissed right away, or not necessarily?
Absolutely. If she would have complained, maybe saying that she fears that being pregnant could interfere with her, she has doctor's appointments that will most likely interfere. But from what I gathered from when she was answering the question, she said that she would be able and willing to serve. But you don't want any jurors to be uncomfortable. And I've never been pregnant, but I can imagine that being that pregnant and, you know, having to sit in chairs for hours at a time could be discomfort.
So let's talk about Voidair, because we keep hearing about this next process after this round of questioning. What is the difference? What kinds of questions can we expect then versus the ones we're hearing now?
Well, right now, they're limited to the scope right now of just asking questions regarding their knowledge of George Zimmerman and Trayvon Martin from the media and how they feel about that knowledge. Once we start the traditional voir dire process, all the jurors will be in one room. So that magical number of 40 that they're trying to get to, all of those 40 jurors will be together and they'll be questioned at the same time by each attorney. And the questions will be a lot more broad. They will be about presumption of innocence, the burdens, and things of that nature.
So what can attorneys then do if they hear something they don't like during that process?
Well, they can ask other jurors how they feel about the matter, but they're not going to have any cause challenges or peremptory challenges until they finish the questioning, and then they'll go into the actual jury selection process where they go back and forth striking jurors.
So maybe social issues will come up during that time, gun laws, maybe the community watch programs?
Absolutely. Anything that has to do with what they're going to hear. So gun issues is great. A lot of times they get into political affiliations. Sometimes they get into presumption of innocence, whether and how they feel about a defendant testifying or not testifying, things of that nature.
Thanks so much, Alicia.